Hey guys, and welcome back to another GCSE Maths Grade 9 exam question. So this question here, we're given ABD, a right angle triangle, and we're given these lengths here in Surd form. So we have root 3 divided by 3 for C to D, and from A to D it's root 2 divided by 2. So we have to work out the exact area in centimetres of this shaded region here. So you've got to look at this geometrical problem that we have here and think of what ways can we go about solving this. So we know when we have a right angle triangle, so straight away we're not going to need to do any trick really on this because it's in a right angle. It's a right angle triangle, so we don't need any sine laws, cosine laws. We know it's right angled, so can we work out the area? Well, we can work out the big area of the the bigger triangle, and then subtract the area of the smaller triangle, because all that's going to leave me then is this shaded area. So let's have a go at working that out. So let's do the bigger triangle first. So that's A, B, D. Now you can't see it here, so make sure you read the question carefully, guys. It tells you AD is equal to BD, so from B to D here is the same root 2 divided by 2. So the area of the big triangle, so I'm going to put big, is going to be equal to root 2 divided by 2 times root 2 divided by 2, and this is all times by a half, because remember, area of a triangle, or a right angle triangle, it's base times height divided by 2, so this should really have a half at the front. I'll put it here, half. So root 2 times root 2, well that's just going to be 2, so this is a half times 2, so root 2 times root 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so this is half of a half, so that's just going to be a quarter. That's just going to be 1 times 2, which is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, simplify it, you get a quarter. So that's the big triangle, so we know that's the full area. Now we need to work out the area of this little triangle here. So little, well, how do we work out the area of this little triangle? So it's going to be root 2 divided by 2 times root 3 divided by 3, and we're going to times that by a half as well. So a half times, so it's root 2 divided by 2 times root 3 divided by 3. So let's do that. So root 2 times root 3 is root 6. So this is a half of root 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So the denominator is 6. So that is going to be square root of 6 divided by 12. Let's just times this through like a normal fraction. 1 times root 6 is root 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So we know the area of the bigger triangle. We know the area of the little triangle. Now, just be very careful. It says work it out in its exact form, or the exact area. So that means you've got to keep the square roots here, guys. So what we're doing now is the big area minus the little area. So 1 quarter minus root 6 divided by 12. Now you can actually just leave your answer like that. That gets you all marks in the mark scheme. So this was a 3-mark question, that gets you all 3. I can also leave it like this, so it's going to be 3 minus root 6 divided by 12. I prefer that form, it looks a bit cleaner, but both methods are absolutely fine. So these are your 2 answers. So both are equivalent, but it's whichever you prefer giving it as. All I've done is just times this left-hand fraction here by 3 to get a denominator of 12. So 3 minus root 6 divided by 12. So quite a nice question, guys. I hope that's okay. I'll leave it there.